Einstein thing, okay? I know it's hard to understand. I don't understand myself. But I know just by innate knowledge that knowledge is more important than imagination. Because imagine in this day, we're wearing imagination on top of us, all around us. Listen to the music, it's so beautiful. But what is more important? Our imagination or the knowledge of this? Ask yourself that. You'll know for sure that it's knowledge. It's the tree of knowledge. The tree of knowledge. You want to know the tree of knowledge? Right there. It's hard to understand, but I just know that knowledge is more important than imagination. I just know since this is key that leads to theories of the world that's a worse off place. I mean, I heard what did he do? He also invented the solar battery or something like that. I mean, that's very important in everything I know. But I just know from deep in my heart. Listen to all this knowledge. Listen to this ghetto blaster you see here. This is taking the place of what is it, how many people are on the symphony, how many people. What's more important, that information or the media? The imagination is media information. It's the knowledge, symbology behind which is more important than the imagination. So I'd just like to conclude with this thought that he was wrong. That energy equals mass. You know this innately with I am. You are everything that is, everything that ever was, will be. Amen. Okay, this is me. It's so foggy in here. I can't. This piece of shit, Mac, can't do shit, but I'm here to show you today. Today is the day, the moment of the Jim Jams. Just so you know, this is it. I am the universal mind. I have done this because I have proven Einstein wrong. I will, if you keep on watching, I swear to you, I'll prove that he's wrong. Okay? Now look at this.
Honey, stop it.
See? You can't see it, but you can see something hovering, right? That's what Einstein thought he saw. He thought he saw the future, but indeed, I'll tell you right now, he saw nothing. He was the fucking Antichrist. Here's why, okay? I'll just take a stop here, just so you know. Okay? I want to prove to you, everybody out there, that there's a new way, a new reality that has nothing to do with Einstein, because with Einstein came the atom bomb and the hydrogen bomb. Who wants that, right? Who in the right mind would want that? I don't think so. Okay, now, you know who he missed out on? He missed out on himself. He really was on Mars, okay? And you know why I say that? It's because he didn't think like you and me as individuals. He thought as a universal mind through dyslexia. That is why we are such a dysfunctional family of people right now. Because he changed reality for everybody and there was no need for it. There was absolutely no need for it, and I'll show you next why. Now you see, I just had a bit of soup, okay? You know what that represents? That represents reality. He was smoking. It's like he was smoking dubage or something, because reality is me and you and everybody. He forgot to include the human family, okay? Mass equals energy. That's all. That's all there is. Mass equals energy. It means everybody, everything is part of the universe, and everything is a part of the universe of itself. Everything is a fractalized image of everything else. That's all you need to know. See, look in my mouth. Okay? That's a fractalized version of the universe. Look in your own mouth, and you'll find this secret that each and every one of us possesses. That we are a universe in and of ourselves, but we're also a fractalized version of the universe proper. Now, you see who he really was a lawgiver. But guess what? His laws didn't work. One of his maxims was imagination is more important than knowledge. If you give it a little bit of thought, you realize that this isn't true. There's nothing higher than knowledge. See, this was the problem with him, which differed him from everybody else, even you and me speaking. He thought experiments. He said that was enough, that he developed thought experiments. That somehow in his mind he could make reality. This is not true. You have to stairs are you and me and find the truth, okay? First, you have to seek. You have to seek to get knowledge. Imagination cannot be more important than knowledge, because if that's the case, then all of us are the worst possible case scenarios. Okay, ever since then, we've had movies that have proclaimed the truth, which is the Force, and trying to return us to a time when we realized that we were all part of the universe, that we are all the universe. A time before Einstein, and I conclude to say this: Einstein was the Antichrist. Okay, he was the elephant man. You see, many artists tried to understand what was going on, like Michael Jackson. He even had the elephant man's bones. Well, he was far off. He did not need the bones, because Einstein is the structure of our society today. And that is why we have such materialist problems. It's because of him, he said energy equals mass times speed, was it? Squared. So that we have this idea that mass doesn't amount to as much as it really does. When we know instinctively that mass equals energy, everything is equal to everything else. If we would just get this through our minds, we would save our planet, we would save the whales, we would save ourselves from this dysfunctional family clan we've developed because since him. There, I said it.